Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video guys. In this video guys, I will be showing you guys how to get the community tab guys. Well, okay, so if you guys don't know what community tab is, basically a community tab is basically that extra notification for your channel. So like basically you need like 1,000 subscribers to get it. So if you go onto my channel and then like you scroll to the side, then you'll see community tab, the community thing, and then so you need 1,000 subscribers. But in this video I'm just explaining how to get it, like how to enable it when you get like 1,000 subscribers. But anyways guys, so let's hop into a video. But anyways guys, all you guys have to do is go to YouTube. Of course you guys have to go to YouTube. And I think it's good. As you guys can see, I'm on PC. It works on mobile as well, but you have to like, it's complicated, but but I'm only showing the PC version. So what you guys do is you guys tap on your picture, like right at the top corner, tap on it guys, and then now guys, what you guys want to do is go into YouTube Studio guys. Alright, just wait for it to load up. Alright, it's loading. Alright, there we go. Alright, so guys, once you're on YouTube Studio, what's it called? Once you're on YouTube Studio, guys, ooh, that is good. But anyways, well, I got distracted in something. Once you're on YouTube Studio, guys, you guys just want to go to the Classic Studio. Creator Studio Classic. It's at the bottom of the side. Alright, look, and then. Actually, no, you guys don't have to do that. What you guys do is you guys do this. You tap on send feedback. Tap on send feedback. So once you go on send feedback, guys, make sure you guys tap on this. Okay, type in I have reached. I got a better way to say it. Sorry guys, my PC is just a bit laggy at the moment. I have crossed. Oh, I can't spell guys, I'm sorry. Cross the 1,000. Why is it lagging? Oh my gosh, wait 1 second guys, because my thing is just lagging right now. I have crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark. And now I need my community tab for engagement. Please reply as soon as possible. So guys, copy this guys. Copy this guys, copy this, but you don't have to put please reply as soon as possible. You guys can put that if you guys want to. That's just a stretch. So if you guys want to, you guys can. When I did that guys, they replied in like the same day. It didn't even take that long. Oh yeah guys, make sure the include screenshot is off, because like you don't need a screenshot. Or if you guys want, you guys could include a screenshot and you could show your 1,000 subscriber over there where my mouse thing is. So you guys could check it if you guys want to. So that's about it guys. And guys, okay, thing was good. Okay, let me just explain another thing. Just if you guys want to see like your to enable thumbnails and stuff, if you guys want to enable thumbnails and stuff, you guys go to create a YouTube Studio, then you guys will see Creator Studio Classic. Tap on that, and then tap on skip guys. Tap on skip. Whoops. Make sure you guys tap on skip, and then you guys just want to go into channel, right? Once you're on channel guys, once you're on channel, once you're on channel, go into status and feature, and then guys, you can like do what you do here. You can like enable live streaming, you can embed live streams, thing what's it called, you can make longer videos than 15, you can make longer videos, more longer than 15 minutes. You can do unlisted and private videos, you can do custom thumbnails, you can do external, and I can't even say what, I cannot say it. Yeah, but anyways guys, yeah, that's about it guys. Yeah, but if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe. Peace. If you guys got any question guys, please feel free to comment that in the but anyways guys, yeah, if there's anything else you guys need help with, yeah, just comment down below, don't be shy. Yeah guys, oh yeah guys, before I end, a little announcement for my for my fans who are here for Roblox streams. I'm sorry I haven't really been doing Roblox streams. I will start doing that again. I might start doing it from tomorrow, I promise. If I don't do it tomorrow, then I'll do it Sunday, because school is off for a week guys. So yeah guys, yeah, that's about it guys. Yeah, and guys, whoops, what happened here? Alright, there we go. Once you guys have the community tab, it should look like this. Once you have the community tab, this is what it will look like. Alright, so you go to your channel, and if you have the community tab, then it should look like this. Alright, let me go into my channel. Alright, yeah, as you guys can see, I got 1.25k subs. It's been like that for a while, so make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you guys want to be a part of the Fady Boy family. I do multiple contents and stuff, so yeah. But as I was saying, yeah, if you get the community tab, it will be right next to your playlist and right next to your channel bit. And yeah, let me just tap that, then yeah, it will look like this. Basically, it will look like this. You can do a video, poll, image, whatever. Let me post one right now to do a quick tutorial. So guys, okay, you can ask your people, like for example, what should I do next? Question mark, question mark. For example, Roblox, how-to video. Anything. Whoops guys, I cannot spell right now. Anything I don't mind. Guys, I can't spell, sorry. And yeah, I'm just not used to these keyboards as well, so let me post that as well. Yeah, so guys, whoa, that's glitched. Wait, let me refresh the page guys, because it's glitched. Right. Alright guys, so it's loading. Alright, there we go. Yes, as you guys can see, yes, guys, it's not gonna look like this for your fans, but I don't know what's going on right now. I think it's a glitch. Wait, let me zoom out. Alright. Yeah, it's just glitched right now, like literally. So yeah, guys, once you got the community tab, yeah. Oh yeah, before I end as well, make sure you guys also join my Discord servers right here. So you guys go to my community tab, and you click it, and then guys, it should take you here. And yeah, and then guys, yeah, that's it. So make sure you guys join, please guys join. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's about it guys. Wait, before I end, one last thing guys, one last thing. Don't leave just yet, one last thing. Alright guys, make sure, if you guys like are interested in Roblox as well, make sure you guys subscribe to my other channel. I do VIP servers on it, but recently I haven't uploaded for a month, so we're off schedule. So as you guys can see, yeah, this is my other channel. I just don't upload anymore that much. I'm gonna start uploading new VIP service for you all. So yeah, so stay tuned. But anyways, guys, that's about it. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, guys. Peace. Have a nice day.